My brother, how are you? Very good. Very good. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you. Brother, welcome to the Kenya mission in New York. I'm truly grateful that we have found time to share these few moments with you. Again, just to confirm to you the government of Kenya's readiness to work with you and the great people of Haiti in the matters that are of importance to Haiti as a people and the government of Haiti and to humanity. I know that we do not have currently diplomatic relations properly established. I have instructed my office in New York yeah, 300 years later, I tell you. Okay, congratulations, gentlemen. Congratulations. Congratulations, Hamstead. Congratulations, Mr. Prime Minister. Thank you very much.
Mr. Prime Minister,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Again, thank you again. Thank you again. Thank you, Mr. Minister. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Thank you, Antonio. Very good.